In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Map in Unbounce. We'll start by grabbing the embed code from Google Maps, then place it on your landing page using the classic builder. Let's get started. Open Google Maps and search for the location you want to show, such as your office or event venue. Make sure the pin is exactly where you want it, and adjust the zoom to frame the area nicely. Click Share, then go to Embed a Map. You'll see a live preview and size options. You can leave the default or choose a custom size. Click Copy to grab the iframe embed code. If you want a different zoom level, set it now in the preview before copying. Now, open your Unbounce page in the Classic Builder. Once the editor loads, decide where the map should go in your layout. Often it works well near contact details or directions, so visitors can find it quickly. From the Toolbar or Objects panel, drag a custom HTML widget onto the page and place it where you want the map to appear. Position it within your content grid so it aligns well with surrounding elements. Double-click the widget to open the HTML dialog, then paste the iframe code you copied from Google Maps. To make the map fill its container, set the width to 100%. If you prefer a fixed size, you can keep a specific pixel width. Be sure to set a practical height so the full map area is visible. Something around 350 to 500 pixels typically looks good and avoids scroll bars. For a smoother, mobile-friendly result, consider wrapping the iframe in a simple responsive container so it scales across different screen sizes without stretching or letterboxing. Click Save, then preview your page. The map should load immediately and be fully interactive. Try zooming and panning to confirm everything works as expected. If the map looks cramped, increase the height. If it feels too tall, reduce it to balance with nearby content. It's also a good idea to check the mobile view to ensure nothing is cut off and that the map remains easy to use. When you're happy with how it looks and behaves, go ahead and publish. Your live page will now display an embedded Google Map that visitors can explore without leaving your site. That's all you need to add a Google Map in Unbounce using the Classic Builder. Thanks for watching, and happy building!